Yo, what's up, scripting? Okay. Let's see. What should we do today? So yeah, I want to finish the entire demo today. We finally got our Steam page. Can't hear you, so peace. Peace. Bye. Yeah, so I'm gonna be working on the demo. I think it's basically done. I think we just need to make sure we have our NPCs in the game. I would like to update some of the sounds more, but I'm not sure if that's gonna happen today. Thanks. Yep. I think I got that. 3, 17, 23. Add NPCs. Update intro scene. More music. Maybe. Yeah, it would be cool if I could get more music in the game. I don't think it's gonna be possible. You know, within today's stream, but we'll see. Maybe I could find something. It's hard because, like, I'd like to add some sort of like melancholic sound, but also make it, you know, intense, and it's hard to find that that perfect balance. So unfortunately, we're probably gonna leave it at that. I do want to make sure our Steam page is showing the correct trailer. I believe it is, but let's see. Yeah, it is. Okay. We have a message here. I wonder. Okay, so yeah, they're just telling me what to do. Okay. You know, it's weird. On Steam, I'll open it up. We have this playtest. Wonder what it is. And it says Afterlife playtest, which is kind of annoying. Oh wait. No, there's not. There's no file here anyway. Weird. Oh, you know what's weird? It's showing here, but when we run the scene, maybe we set him to invisible? What's going on? Yeah, maybe that's what we did. Okay, skeleton. Alright, let's just open up this scene. There we go. And then there's one more. You know, I actually noticed this sprite sheet in another game. I don't know if I like that. Same with this witch girl. She's in another game too. I mean, I didn't see them in actual games, but I saw them in like game dev subreddits showcasing their game. We'll see. Probably will remove them eventually. Oh, okay. Here we're gonna write down everything we need to do. There's like one technical bug here, and that's we automate or random placement or random set random texture set of what is it? Scaffolding. So we'll have to fix that. Yo, that NPC sounded funny. Yeah, he's a little funny sounding. It'd be nice if I could find some like a better procedural sound collection. Maybe we'll do that today. Like, this one sounds silly too, right? Like, it doesn't really match, I guess, the aesthetic, I think. So we'll see. Hello, Yasuo. So yeah, let's fix the scaffolding, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, we do this scaffold counter, and then we seems like we randomize it. No, we don't randomize it, but what we do is we keep adding to the scaffolding counter, and then we set it to this random frame. I think what we should do instead, I'm trying to think what would be the best approach for this, because it is unique. I think what we could do is every time we reset a room, we set this counter back to 0. I'm wondering if that would fix it. Let's try it. Every time we process a room, if it gets set back to 0, no, I don't think that would actually help. What we could do is actually go into where we add this sprite, so that's in our background auto tile, no, wall decorations auto tile. And then what we'll do is when we place this object, where is it? Scaffolding type is equal to 1. Then we have one end. Let's see. Scaffolding. Create scaffolding. Where do we add child? Okay. Scaffold temp, position, world to map, and then yeah, right here we could put it. Scaffolding variation we could do, and we'll just switch between 0 and 1. Scaffolding. Yo, what's up, Gabriel? Scaffold temp dot frame is equal to We do have the scaffold. No, we'll do a variation. And we could just match it. Yeah, let's just finish this up. We'll just say match scaffold variation. Oh no, we'll just say if. Okay. And to speed up the process, and then we'll just get rid of this this ready function. Probably don't even need a script here. Yeah. But let me just make sure it works. Do you guys hear the background noise? I feel like I have a lot of background noise in my game currently. Okay, so here's one set. And if we restart, yeah, it's gonna be the same thing. Perfect. It's just I don't think like most people wouldn't even notice the change, but yeah, it was bugging me a bit. Also, the music is still on. What we should do is, for now, let's just list the 0. Cool. Alright, so we have to, this room right here is a little messed up. We don't have a 4th tile right there. Let's go to this room. Oh, no, not this one. Go. Okay, there is one other technical issue, and I don't know if I want to fix it today. You might notice there's like, we might have this background here, or like the auto tile adds like this border, and then sometimes when there isn't that, or like always on the end pieces, there isn't any border. And so it's just a polishing issue. The the other main issue is that this doesn't exist in all of our rooms. So like you can see here, it's not there. So it really depends. And I'm not sure if I want to fix that now. So yeah, like it's right here, but then nothing else. Also, I think we should add some more scaffolding into this room. And to update the texture of this witch here. Just do that now. One, two, three, four. So, I mean, I could leave this room the way it is. It's technically nothing wrong with it, but I feel like it could be polished a bit. Like, in this area specifically. But I don't know what to do. Could put scaffolding and maybe a light, like up there. Okay. So we used to have like this howling sound that was consistently in our game, and I do think. Wait, let me see. I don't know if I removed it. Let's see. I have to max our volume here. Let me turn it off. It doesn't seem to be playing actually. So let me go into our sounds real quick. And it's inside wind or outside wind. Yeah. Let's look at this. Let's just go into wind. Outside wind true, outside wind false, room entered. So yeah, we are running it outside and inside, or sounds out outside. Outside, but ambience / outside wind out play. It's technically running, but I guess maybe because it's at such a low volume. Oh, and it's under music. That's why. So technically, this should be like under effects. And actually, I think what we should do is make another audio bus. So I'm gonna make I'll call this environment. Environment. Let's try to spell it correctly. And then we should put these under environment. Okay. And let me try keeping this on 0 for now. Let's see what this will sound like. There we go. I mean, it's a very basic sound. I do need to make sure that we're also playing the sound, like you see it like, this sounds like outside wind now, but we're still inside, so I need to make sure that we're playing like, you know, the appropriate sounds always. For the most part, well, I guess it depends. What I should do is maybe like calculate, how many tiles are in the room and the percentage of like open tiles here is greater than, like, let's say, 75%, then we'll make it the outside wind sound. It's only a select few rooms. Let's see. Wait, what? So yeah, as you can see, some of these rooms have some weird sounds playing in them. What I think I'll do is, I think if we look at our world here, I think it's an export value. Yeah, we do. So what I'm gonna do is select all of our rooms, because I think for the most part they're all outside rooms. I'm sorry, they're all inside rooms. So I'm gonna set this to false, and I believe now every room will have the inside wind, and then we'll just select which ones we don't want to have it. Just go here. Yeah, there we go. Another thing, maybe I think the outside wind room is just too powerful. Like, it sounds way too much. So we can fix that too, because most of our rooms are indoors. Here, let me play the music again. Yeah, so we have this outside and inside. I'm gonna add a new ambient sound. Audio stream player. I'm gonna call this, I don't know, like dungeon sound. I forgot what we had, but it's under intro, I believe. Intro music, cinematics. Let's just look at sounds. Somewhere here. Fart sounds. Not fart sounds. Teleport sounds. Laser enemy. Is it under intro music? Yeah, I think it is. Dungeon ambient. No. Forgotten Tombs, I believe that's the one. This might be way too intense. I'm gonna try -20. We'll just try to autoplay it for now. See what it sounds like in the game. So yeah, autoplay set to true. And yeah, we want to keep it under environment. I need to make sure. Honestly, I might add a script here just to make sure everything is added, like to the appropriate section here. So does this make the game scary? And I think I also need to find like a better looping wind sound. You can actually kind of hear it flicker. And I think I'm not actually sure why it's flickering. It seems our sound effects here are way too loud. Yeah, our songs are so we put these on -35, which is a lot. I feel like I've been making this the standard, but maybe I should make it 0 and then just adjust the music bus appropriately. Yeah, let me see. We need to make a ambient sound here too. Yeah, let's see. You want to make sure that they're both at the same value here. So, I wonder why there's no. Oh yeah, I can reset the volume. So both are on 0. It's pretty loud on the start. So actually, let's do -10.5. We'll see if they need adjusting. Oh, they are already set to -20. So set this to 0. And we'll run it again. Yeah, it's way too loud. I think just in general for the ambient sounds, we're gonna make this -35. Outside wind, I think, will also be a little lower. Try -20. You can't even hear it now. What the hell? Honestly, I think that's pretty good. We're at, here, let me reset this. Reset volume. Reset volume. I'm gonna reset everything. Kind of spooky. Don't mind it, but I wonder, like, I don't want people to be afraid while playing this game. And I also don't know if it matches, like, the... Oh! What is this? Godot crashed on me. It seems like it was a... It wasn't a Godot crash, it was like a Windows crash. Not sure. It's a little concerning. Okay. pretty sure this is the wind sound we have.
I smell blood.
Okay, yeah, most of these are like music. I was hoping we'd get more like ambient sounds. Let's see, ambient. Yeah, these are all pretty bad, unfortunately. Creepy piano. Alright, whatever. the volume here. Let me see. Well, this is on -20. They're all on. Some of them are on 0. Either we set them all to a low volume, like -35. Seems to be pretty consistent here. And then we would also have to make the dungeon sound pretty low. So at the moment, yeah, let's do this. Right, set all of these background sounds to -20. The intro song, all of these will set to -10 for now. Let's see if that's too loud. That's too loud. Not the music, but the sound effects. I think this one is just too loud. Let me try -30. Oops. See what this sounds like without the dungeon. I think that's the issue. Maybe the dungeon sounds are too much. The transition from the beginning song to this one is like, it's bothering me. Don't know what we could do. Maybe if we like we lower the volume instead of like what's going on right now. Here, let's do this. Yeah, we could do this fade-in song sort of thing. Ooh. So I'm not sure why we have this fade-out song that actually fades it out, and then a fade-in song just plays the song. Do we actually ever use this function? I don't think so. Fade in. Yeah, we don't. Okay, so what we'll do here is while it's less than 0, I think we'll have to make a variable for this called var song. Fading in song is equal to false, and then in fade in song actually, we don't actually need this here. We'll just say fade in song, and if song.dv is less than negative, or if it's less than 0, is that what we usually put it on? We put it on negative 10, so let's do that. Plus equals 0.05. I actually think we might make this lower. There we go. And then we'll say fading in song. Okay. And then in our physics, I wonder. Oh, we do have this continue fade it. Oh, fade out song. Never mind. You know, I don't like the idea of running this in the physics like I feel like we'll have to like disable and enable physics process, because then we'd always be checking for this. But let me see if it's appropriate to do this using animation godot, using animation player to handle sounds. So yeah, we could technically do it. It would make our life a little easier, because then all we would have to do is say, you know, dot play instead of like running a function here. Let me see. Let's go to audio, animation player. Make a new fade in song. And then we'll add our song 1 here. We'll say, so we'll start at like negative 100, I guess, or whatever's our min here. So negative 80, all the way up to, let's say we want this to be like a 3-second animation, all the way up to negative 10. Add this. There we go. And then I guess it doesn't really matter, we can reset it. And then what we do, let's just grab a reference to this. Honestly, It's an animation player, but I think we could call this like a volume controller or something like that. Like volume. I'm gonna call it a volume controller. I wonder if they actually have that as a node. I doubt it. So volume player. Yeah, they don't. Okay. Okay, and then all we need to do, like whenever we start this, we'll do it in our main scene for now. I just want to see if it works. We'll just say, volume, sounds dot volume controller dot play intro. You know, maybe I'll just add a function for this since it doesn't seem to work here. Say fade in song. There we go. There we go. Fade in song. And we're just gonna say just fade in song like that. Ideally, what we want to do maybe in the future is say sounds dot fade in song dot fade in song, and then like as a parameter maybe sounds dot song 1 or something like that, and then we adjust, you know, the animation player that way. We'll see. I don't know how dynamic we want to make it in the future. It also doesn't seem like something I'm going to be doing often. Oh my god. What is this transition though? It's like almost immediate. Let me see. Yeah, it seems like way too much. I think maybe also I want to wait a bit. But here, wait. Just see. Maybe we can increase this to like 10 seconds. That way the transition is like much slower. Could do it like that, and then yeah, that's not too bad. And I think I don't know, but I kind of low-key want to make the animation like super long, like maybe 20 seconds. And so over the course of 20 seconds, you know, you have some time to think or like inspect your environment, and then it gets louder and louder. Hello, hope everything is going practical. Okay, that was a bad joke. Hey, how's it going, Half Moon? That was a pretty good joke. What? Did I click outside? over 20 seconds. It's pretty loud though. I think by default we're just gonna lower our volume here. Don't know. Maybe by -10. This also makes our intro scene volume lower too, so we'll have to see. Or you know what? Let's do... I think what I'll do instead is actually make this -20. And then we'll set our audio back to 0 here. I think that's better. Run it again. Oh. Yeah, I prefer that. And over time, it just gets louder and louder. Okay, cool. Let us, our music, maybe this is, oh no. Update intro scene, I think. Hey, wait, let me see the intro sound one more time. Cause like, does it cut off? Yeah, I think we'll do another animation for call it fade out song. And I wonder, wait, let me look at this one. Does it let you select? Oh no, it doesn't. We would basically have to make our own track, which is fine, I guess. Let's go back and do fade out. And we'll add in this intro song going from -10. And this one's gonna be a lot shorter. It's gonna go from like 0 to I think 1 second would be good. Whatever the duration of our like teleport sound is, we'll see. Duplicate this, put it on -80. Let's go into in-game option menu. And over here we'll say sounds dot. Oh, we don't actually have a fade out song yet. Fade out function. We do have this one. Yeah, we could say fade out song. just to play a certain enemy. Yeah, I actually don't want to mess with this one. I'm just gonna call it fade out intro for the time being. Fade out intro. Oops. I want to do it here. Oh, I'm silly. I think it sounded good. It didn't cut off. It like lowered, but it was pretty like abrupt. But I think that's fine. One more time. Let me try 2 seconds. Put this on 2. Seems to be just cutting off like oh, you know why? Yeah, we have it stopping here. So what we should do is actually yeah, let's see what it sounds like, and if this sounds good, then we'll run it somewhere else. It's not doing anything. Sounds.fade out intro. Fade out intro, fade out song, volume dB. Yeah, what the hell? Let's see. Play this song. Fade out intro dot play. Yeah, it should work. By default, we're set to -80 here. Wonder if it has to do with changing the scene, like we're not able to do. No, it shouldn't be a problem. Sounds.fade out intro. Not sure. You know what? Don't want to waste time on that, so I just had to cut out. yeah, leave it like that. What is next on the agenda? Update intro scene. We added the NPCs. I don't know if I'm going to update it today. Let's see. Update. Got rid of this bug. Update NPCs. Okay. Ooh, it's a cool looking ghost. Ugh. Oh, these are all pretty bad. Okay. We won't update the NPCs today at all. That's okay. I think I'm gonna want to go ahead and just release what we've got so far. Oh, I didn't want to add the secret room, but I think I'm gonna ignore that for now. Let's get rid of this. I want to try one more thing, and that's for our, I forget what we called it, overgrown, maybe? Overgrown. Top decor, let's see. I don't even remember where we put it in, like, our, grass? Vines? Dude, what do we call it? Add temple wallpaper, set texture. I think this is it. Red map, red temple decor. Red temple decor. Red cave decor. Red cave decor. And the texture here is red cave tile map. So we have the red original and decor. Open this. So I want to open up the decor. And we're gonna also open up. I want to open up the original blue and why did it only open up blue? Open up original. I hope the original is green. Oh no, we don't. It seems we don't have a green. Okay, let's make a green. Green. Therefore, green. We'll edit this one. Actually, let's edit this one. Dude, my stomach hurts. So yeah, it's pretty subtle, I think, but I think it looks good. Export this as green, and then also export it as decor. There we go. I don't know if this is gonna look good, but my fingers are crossed. Let's see. Right, it's barely even noticeable. Wait, let's see. It's not bad. I think the issue is that there's too much of it if we leave it as green. So let's do this. Let's go back into our script here. So yeah, what we'll do here is we'll add a modifier similar to what we did with our scaffolding. I'll be right back though. a demo out sometime today. Haven't looked into it yet, but is there a Mac version for the demo? There will be. I'm not gonna prioritize it like today. It's only gonna be the Windows version and Linux version. But I will build the Mac version. I don't have anyone to test it to, so it'd be great if you can. Crack stream. Thank you, man. Alright, I'll just throw this into here. Where did we put it? Oh, we don't have one for the auto child here, so let's do that now. I'm actually thinking we could put it here. Yeah, let's do that. Bar create. I think we'll say create texture. By default, we'll set to true. And then hit create texture. Yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. Hopefully. Maybe today, wait. So we get one, and then, what the hell? Create texture is equal to not create texture. Oh, right. Let's throw this here. We are dumb. And you know what? I'll put it. Actually, I would like it up here. Set this to false. But there's one other issue, and that's now they're evenly distributed, and I don't know if I like that either. Let me think about this. They're also stacked on top of each other. I think I want to set the Z index to be lower so it's not on top of this image. Let's see. I mean, it's not bad. I don't think most people will tell or can tell. And because there's like some variation in the textures, it's also pretty hard to tell. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. I kind of feel like if we can, wait, actually, yeah, there should be a texture here. How does it go? It goes horizontally. So yeah, there should be a texture here, but we don't see one. I believe we should see one. get cell is equal to 5. Set cell texture. Yeah, we're running set cell texture, and then if it's based on yeah, if create texture. It was basically like a 50-50. And they're all the same. Oh, wait. But I think it's in increments of, let me see. Oh, it's in increments of, let's see. Yeah, they're all in increments of 8. So it should work. Maybe it is working. It's just like one of these, like, if it's this tile, it might be really hard to tell. Yeah, I think that's the problem. Because our background texture here is the same. Alright, whatever. I'm not going to worry about it too much. Let's get on to the next thing, which is going to be... Oh yeah, sound effects. I want to make sure that we're playing the ambient sounds appropriately. Oh, and in the fade in song, or here, let's go back into our sounds. I think by default we're gonna set just say dungeon sound dot play somewhere in our code. Sounds dot dungeon sound. Do we have a reference to that? Let's do ambience. And I'll just play it once we get in. It's at -30. Where is it? Main scene? Yeah, we play here. Dungeon sound, play. We also want to make sure that we stop it in our credit scene, because if we switch to the credits, it's going to keep playing. Or even if we exit the game, it'll play. Okay, and let's go into the main menu. Oh! I didn't even think of that. Wow, okay. I mean, in our main menu, I think we used to have it turn off the music, right? Or, let's see. This is the first time we've ever had the main music. The music in our main menu be different from the music in our main scene. So, guess we'll have to fix that now. Sounds.stream paused is equal to true. And dot stop. We could leave that the way it is. See if that fixed it. Okay, that works. Let's go into our credit scene. Make sure that we need to make sure that we stop the ambient sound. And yeah, let's do this. Man, we should really make a function for this, but sounds dot dungeon sound dot stream pod. Oh. Okay, there we go. Also want to put this into the entrance of our credit scene. Let's do that. Put this here. And also put the intro song to stop. Alright, there we go. We don't actually, yeah, we do need this technically. And I think this pauses, it stops automatically, but we'll also say song 1 dot stop. Okay. There we go. Moment of truth. Run this again. So we go into credits, music stops, we play the ending credits, we go back, start it, music plays fine, go here. Music should progressively get louder into the vampire's piano. Hurry up, hurry up. Yeah, there we go. Go back into the main menu. And go back to the credits. Cool. I think it all works. One more thing that we need to try is going from the main scene into the credit scene, which I think should be fine. Like, I mean, it's worked in the past, but can never be too sure. So let's just run it here. It all works. Right. Let's go into sound settings. Sound settings UI. And we're just gonna duplicate these two. Call this ambient. Or no, label 3. Call this environment. Environment. Okay. And we'll call this and usually what I do is just match the name to the audio bus. So for this one we shall call it, well, actually we have volumes and brightness here. Makes it a little weird. Environment. Can we spell? Wait, did we call it environment? Yeah, we did. value is equal to inverse lerp key to edit. I think that's it. Although, yeah. Okay, there we go. It all should be good now. Might be hard to hear. So we hear that. Go into options, sound, environment. Cool. Options, sound, effects. Okay, some of these sounds don't work. I think we're also going to add a UI sound for the weirdos out there who want to mess with the UI. Also, I just realized we could just put key to edit instead of effects here, or like, yeah, whatever. Just leave it the way it is for now. What? There we go. UI. Do we have a UI audio bus? We do. I just never messed with it. Okay. UI. UI. There we go. Go back into our settings here. Make another duplicate. Whoa. Duplicate this. Call this UI. Change this name to UI, and there we go. Should be all good. Just need to make sure we are updating the sounds properly. I don't know if these are called. Where is our sounds? Sound. So we have sound effects here. Technically, we should put these in their own little subsections. And I think we'll do that now because, yeah, it's better to do it now. We should have also made this control nodes, but I guess I was dumb in the past. Let's make it another node 2D. Throw this up here. Call this UI. Throw menu back. Oh. Here. And we'll turn all of. Oh, they are all on UI. Cool. So, highlight sound. This is technically. Honestly, I think this should technically be in effects. We'll have to see if this messes with anything. Okay, I think we are all good. Run it again. Oh yeah, we have to fix our references here. In sounds. So this is click. Let's confirm and menu back. Menu back. Okay. Let's make sure menu back is good. Click. We don't have any references to click, and confirm. Yeah, we're good. Is there something else? Oh yeah. We have to move our player to something that actually plays these sounds. Honestly, I probably should just play test the entire game to see if we encounter any bugs, but I'm fairly confident. At the moment, I'm fairly confident in my ability to make this work. So we're just going to test out like monuments here. Oh wait, so this is highlight. So this would be under effects. Yeah. Okay. Make sure it's good here. I'm gonna mute our music for now. effects seem to be working fine. Let's actually see what happens when we speak to this dude. I can't hear anything at the moment. Let's go back to options. Make this full blast. Wait, there was, did I hear something weird here? Okay, everything is good. Alright, no more testing out effects. Let's mute this. Are still some effects that I think are not accounted for. Our platforming, temporary platform, temp floor, is it this one? No, is it this one? Yeah. This one needs to be under effects. I don't know if it'll save automatically. Let's see. Yeah, let's restart this room. There we go. Okay. All of these sounds are good. Okay, yeah, the only reason why that's playing right now is because we didn't refresh the scene, but it will go, it will work. This works. Let's make sure this is still muted over here. Yep. How's it going, Kick Sakubi? What's up? What's up? Okay, that also works. What are we concerned with? UI and environment. Okay. I think that's basically it. Here, let's actually do UI now. Yeah, I think we're good. And then last is environment. And oh, we actually still hear it. I think it's because we set it to -80, and -80 technically you can still hear sounds at -80, so it's not technically 0. I think what we'll do is eventually what I should do is if it's set all the way to -80, we just mute it automatically, but it's fine. Cool. All right, that is it. We finish everything. Update NPCs, memory demo. Now it's just a matter of exporting everything. We have. Let me make sure. Oh wait, I might have disabled the hitbox of this dude over here. Wait, what? Where is he? I don't remember if I disabled him. Okay, yep, that is it. This is the memory game, and it will be on Steam hopefully by tonight, if I'm not lazy. I'm gonna make something to eat, and I will see you guys till next time.